And talk a little bit more about early intervention because a lot of people think it's all genetic. What's the role of early intervention, physical therapy, speech therapy, occupational therapy, and how does it make a lifelong difference for children with the neurological challenges?
So early intervention as the name says, it says that you start early. And the whole science behind it and the philosophy behind it is that our brain is very plastic.
Mm,
It is still immature and it can adjust. So I give you one example. In a right-handed person, the speech is located on the left side of the brain. In the left side person, speech is located mostly 70% on the right side. What if you have a baby who gets stroke on one side, left side, for example? Happen to speech? If, for example, a stroke happened at the time of birth, a birth-related injury, does it mean the will never speak? No, child will speak
mm,
because because all the faculties and the milestones which the child achieves at a specific age, that function will move to another area of the brain. So, for example, if the left side of the brain where speech was supposed to develop, if that area gets damaged, the faculty, because the DNA of the baby is the script is correct. The
mm,
script that this, because in the script, nature has written that this child will have speech. Okay. So then it will just move to another area. So that's the concept. So if the child has some kind of insult to the brain, as a result child would get cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy mean like they will have motor weakness at certain region. But if you start exercises early,
mm,
then they will get better. So they will not get that clumsy. They may
mm.
not like 100% better, but pretty good.
Functional. Yeah.
Functional. So the therapies which are currently available, one is the physical therapy, which focuses on the gross motor strength and balance. The other one is the occupational therapy, which focuses on the dexterity, handwriting, fine motors. And then we have the speech and language therapy, which deals with the speech and pronunciation. And then we have the behavioral therapy, which deals with how the child interacts with society. And then we also have something called the family therapy, which
Yeah.
we mentioned earlier, that because that looks at the whole family and then they guide like where as a family you are doing, you can improve.